Modena Yedin Komana Buana Nemako Yepa Etimiera on Facebook Sompa 93.1 Obaba Modena was set you on Facebook Sompa 93.1 on Satoswa wa like wa share wa comment na boa na bibia ko yepa etimiera ma ya transe ye re shootout Jumade ne reba ababe rame etimiera ma on shootout no ye transe say dia na chese ya fisem na ye bana ya baberi unkomana boa na bibia ko yepa etimiera ma nkomo do so ofie ni nyina de on sesem no ebetimi abezanze nei na baba betodwa ejese de Ghana Premier League no agese ye twentwen so ansa ye didi ho nkomo na fimu ashanti go roma so ya no pa no ewie e baba modena ye timi de on sesem na rame etimiera ma other news no be bo etimi ediaba Alhaj baba shai ewo fidie ma hat folk nkomo obaba kakra eyedian newspapers ne beba Bishop Patrons ya apostle wa era Michael Akomia Jemfi era fe Michael Asaribodu amunyina wo fidie ma omobo amane makoye perma production room no yo Luther King Nas ena Ricardo Vaz omo ene techi atotuero eda ye perma na jumade no ye betrans ye wie bia na ye netimi ada ma America aka zede udi amana ko yem no ya na wanya de honte anya bebi ebeboa amane makoye pertimi ada ma andidia ya na kokko fire ye eba ne sa emo ama pomde no ewie pezanze bebi abetran didi bebi abekọ akoto no amu nu aduane no ena afeso wo awokọ akoto no okọ akodi no na just one we ye mo anti no na mekanfo ere ma se di aduane pa ma nkwatenti aduane pa ne ma hoden ebo ma ne ma koye pa etimi edi amana bebi abedidi no eye X5 restaurant and pub X5 restaurant and pub na aduane pa de amonton biye pa na mama so no okọ aduane ne ya assault ene benku ne tilapia na pe benku ne okro soup na stew no obenye bififo no medikin aka so okọ ane mama ne nkasa oze mama tilapia nkwan ne kakra ori aponti de ni bia wo no wa mama remunam kakra na afe enwa ne mrenkwan no o de kakra wo no eba ne sa eboa ma anya kombi no kama pa ntu trans na udidi a ya na ntutu ne koye pa etimi edema joy fries na pe watch na pe emuto na pe pesi na pa ni nyina no amotonton bi o maso ya ni se won so bi na fi amano ne aba aso ya edin say local food no obedi o me na amabomode ayen tutuye na bibia akoye kama pan so no etimi ediama na onkomo no yesi nei no a special fried rice na pesoje edemani pa no say french fries na pe pizza ene de ka kan no nyina no o sabetimi akabi omo ewo drinks awdo na o pedi ano edin de ano emre ena afa de hororo o sabetimi akabi sumbi a wo bia no o akwanya so be romo X5 restaurant and pub no akọ didi waba office ano pay na jezo nyobia ema ne hwe mfa mo wa mepacho medium number no betudwa ofre pombeba nyaba be deliver ne kama pa etimi era mo number no 0549 609697 0549 609697 ani omo akasa po mo a crow from OCC ka FM no obenyo omo hihye pa we so edema ene wedding no wa ya wie reception no opeso host a hoho no na obebi a ewe fa ho bai etra betimi ajuweni a omo ho kese edema ha betimi akọ ejumefo na mo pese mu didi mo nkoma yo san hihye no so no etimi edema aye na aba fie abadinto na aba party bi na auto ejumefo na ne no mo po mo mema wediane amepacho ni nyina no mre no mabomoden etimi etu ana mo aboa amane ma koye pa etimi era man tididi ye na abedidi ya X5 restaurant and pub mo ene boa man totoero akoye pretimi era man tetem so ye sensem na sidia ye remo apemper friend Godwin na bloody emre bi atwa mo bejuma na de ma tefoki ejuma ede ma krobia Kumasi Asante Kotokono pempano era ne no ne didi nkomo de dikan no ene ebizanze na wenya ntia se Ghana Premier League no ene mpefu confirm zesere ne mensi kona o se twentwen so kakra ezanze case bi wa Ashanti Gold for eden sem yakọ da the Human Rights High Court a amugiri so o se ekọ no penye league a ahoti kakra no odi nkomo se ezanze ball no wa gba acha nso no onim na nusu pa nkomo se yi na obo mo de adijai.
I think say to me no because you be league as name say bibia de na kwemu a I will say starting to ya gather moment when you start to say no players no bia aboa no preseason mo ko anyway nyina obi aye focus say ball league na ya about 3 matches ko 4th week no and ya di hold aba no yenim tama ya be starting to no adwen kakra
Atia no ye command ne open pa no ebo mode etimi eri tudwa utieri okana na chese be hadwen kakrafte no ene ebizanze week we penalties ya bobo dodo na aguye e ma de free oba ha ye bo mode ye the Ghana Premier League extra no eno no Ricardo Vaz chance ya no wadidi de on command open penalties ya ye bo se no ne ade ya no so be se ze ansa na ne ye players no amobeko training na akwa ejuma no yemfa penalties ne nka ho na no na beboa ama nkakrakra penalty ne bono niam akoyie petimi edi amaye
me taking it seriously training and me thinking positive because me say some of our colleagues they be you thinking negative ball ba go we say or fast my fans no the movement ni taking out of the ball the position of the ball ni check kra ko gina
all right here sani ama be dedam ne apo modern na no ye didi san komo no na abo ama ne ma da ye pa etimi edi ama na opanpa no etimi echeche musa de ba ko a ebebo ama Ghana ye penalties no ya bo ne ye no enene se e was ye re ne ye ntutue ne ye ne ye adwuma ne ye ne ye ramu training ground so a ye mfa enka ho eno na ebebo ama ne ma kwenche mu se no bo modern de mai
penalty kicks no make I say ye fanka your training program so because I think it's very difficult to take penalty kicks, but you're taking it serious. About penalty kicks, you're sorry, you're because penalty kicks makes you be brave. Position of the players, is very bad because you know Oja no announce no say ha no ball ato. Nti okosho na sa ball na goalkeeper ni enya. Nti no me kra me can say you fanka your training program so because me eboa me can training sa man eboa me ntino. Say coaches ni na be na sanka e fa share football say any part of our training programs na say e betimi aboa from national team anyway nya eba ye mix it no nka be boa pa say be
atia no ye komo bo mo de etimi edi HS ye kan ye training no we be boa na ne ma koye pede am after no de ewramo zo penalty a Nicholas Osebo nsukoko boy ye na Brantia no baby no gina ne sere ne mesika bia no kan mi na penalty no ese ye no so no say no bo mo de cheche mu.
Because recently African Cup of boy Nicholas or play ball no all right and now start to say or chef fans no or fans my fans no the movement ni taking out of the ball the position of the ball ni check kra ko gina wrong position angle no ko gina no or buy no from the position of the buy no or some tries or bend the ball na ko other side na ball no go over first of place no the ball no to no olusu concentrate so fans no jiwe no one share the position of gina so share ya o fi pole ni go gina side kra answer oba be take kick no oba kick no so no say the connection no so say goalkeeper no so ehun movement no goalkeeper kra go gina ma ball kra amfa pole ti when nyina ka you need to focus and concentrate or say make sure say ball answer whatever you want to do you do it after
atia no ye command opimpa na bo mo de timiera cheche mo ni na bo ama na makoye pere penalty expert di ubo Gordon na blood din dia na dodo na usampa ejuma no baba be de makrobia na ano edin ye pa na ye biza no ze wo no penalty na nkasa unimbo pa na dia ne ma wo dia na special na ofa bebia bia kasa wo no expert e ba be tonko ade a e go dia pa na wo ya ma wo no o exceptional
me taking it seriously training and me thinking positive because me say some of our colleagues they be you thinking negative ball ba go we say be me din say and I didn't I mean green say or say me ko ball na me say na me so me nya din and now the part of training the house of folk me nya akwenye under coach Mohamed Polo on the buy no or the training program on or any competition me ba kotoko no so me musa coach Esmin drop so by obe boa me bebre e ma oba o musa ye penalty we no on so be boa me e ma me boy say training me timi take you obi say Osebo atin Jojo Louis Konu me timi take you after training and before training to me timi boa mo say 2015 answer it is start be a part of me and I'm sure techniques so because we also pass the ball into the net it also now build work so confidence also na a part of you na about game more because training different from a match situation. It's a one more training on taking it serious or come much more no I say no. It's the obey training who taking it serious how to come much more ubenya
atia no ye komo kakra Gordon abroad the airport modern ye di ani na boa emane makoye permanent on penalty so no na wache ne mo di rama and to end that din pretty me man no pano ene e baba be catch us say Ashanti golden pain for ejezo mujiri se kwan a ere the Ghana Football Association o masem ne be o mo kan ye no omno mandini ye enti also omo no ye tutueni ye na po amane makoye pa etimi era mom to omo do mo nsem na akọ human rights high court na and also am ye league na kansisemu kakra na ye romo maso ye na na paying pa ye friend Frederick Ado ono ne operation said mo money no edid nkomo na dedi kan no e na biza zo panyi emra e ba beto dwa se ye mo ko second division no besi na ye ntem nka na hunsiesi amoye ene ne ma mudi ram no se na sitie e de ma Ashanti Gold Bobuku no
ambia no omuko baabi na se ebubo omo a no mo de mokwa begum no mo de ta esim no mo twi Ghana Blaster and local blaster and under 20 echo ball omuko ball matches bi echo lose ye
alright bebo modern na yetimi edram na aboa mane makoye pa etimi ediamant ye twene etie open friend Frederick on preparations so mo ye after said ne division 2 hon sense ne ba be ram no enkomo se no bo modern di jai
court penye tisa na say enkodan sorry I say as good yi na call division 2 in fact ade bia ha adwene ye players ni na era Kwaku Frimpong supporters ye pa ye say as good club kesi say na efi ekoda sorry efi force we yi akọ division 2 in fact ko fanse mebre buy pa esanso enkoda sorry bi ma say yasa bande ye players ni nyina nyame adom players in there omutimi nya obi bo mo ko cast ma timi free omo so players ni bi ko other teams o ko bi ti say be bi ani a players ni bi ho has e bi ho ene play teams be bro Ghana has a players ni bi e wo plus kakra kai ne de ye gusu a ye preseason say assign coach asalbedi akon former aduana coach assign na oye ni training anka krankra ene nim say Ghana Premier League no ye free mu say asama de akodan court omo body ene nim say e de ye betimi aba be bobi
atiano ye nkomo kakra ne obo de etimi erija ya ochezo mu gusu bo abo mo kro ma fa coach afa players bi mo no mo ye djuma no pen enim say ne asemi be dodo na na afi mutin no kora se si Ashanti Gold Rama so ya players be ne den na ye djuma ebo amane makoye pe etimi ere mo
enim gwase bi na aka omo ye kan omo ntimi kan kire Ghana for any class ne kan omo abo no omo nim say omo ka say court de nyansia to suntie bi am lege no yenya igbo a omo jose class me omo jose ka omo abo nyina efi no enti amomo iti 14 fi omo de akoshe 14 fi nya de betimi abaso
be up to for already about 3 matches oh teams in so dey born 18 team mo be kan we
oh heavy to say Frank Akoto oho bit to say ya Apia Makati oho na play bit to say what best oho Ali company players in there we can say senior players in there more na oho na mo kwa ne kura no now here bit to say Kodwamu Akose na or as good player no nyo bia say o sheda start the matches and I hear bit to say Kofi Mensah no as good no nyo bia or start player no start as good match pa Eric Eso nini pe bia metin aka say na o tie start as good matches but players in there etu aka say kakra o ho anasa
atiano ye nkomo na open pa ye friend Frederick operations manager ma Ashanti Gold Abomoden etimi era to Ghana nyina bo amane makoye pe etimi era manochi ye to azu bisa na zena wonya ntie ne ya the Ghana Football Association paying for eso ma suspended club and izanze open per friend Emmanuel Frimpong CEO no and afi president friend Dr. Kwaku Frimpong so omone club ni dinkita ho ye oniama bebrane omo ya asampin for no ene tu anamono na sa anamono omo ati anan no so enkomo se no die de fa
F4 no say me hu say o ma fa as good say apotoria anytime bia no o mukọ baabi na say ebubo o ma no mo de mokwa begum no mo de ta esim no mo twi Ghana Blaster and local blaster and under 20 echo ball o mukọ ball matches bi echo lose ye o mo ball matches no mo lose ye na F4 nanim go ase no e no mo yo imagine some dey as good dey be band dey as good accord division 2 that is any anum sem trofo no mo na ho enkeka enim go ase na akwakoto o mo no Nancy, I'm going to friendly match. I'm going to Blaze. I'm a Blaze. I show more 3-1. Any friendly match, I'm going to be winning back on. I'm going to Ghana for better time. I'm going to say Ghana team is still a new. It's young for Bimla, not as a media for in Zoom. No more surprise. Open ye. F4 Nankas, I mean, and I mean, him do 2 or 4. 27th September, ye. On my Zoom meeting, our court. Esco members ni nyina aka ho bia omudi data akwa share omo ankasa apart was 19th omunya baba be hia mu court nti me ɛyɛ mmoawa wɔ science nsɛm yi ɔmo de aba sɛ afi de Ghana Premier League no ɔmo yiye firi mu kura no ɛyɛ nwanwa
Etia no ye komo bo mo de di etimi e de efa on cheze ye omo akakra na after no no kansi studia ze Ghana Premier League no Ashanti Gold be ba be bobi na league no o we sele ni Mexico already about 3 matches in a before jeze emposi ansa ba kumiru minti e bia na asia ba se be bo ye de enim na o kansi studia ze nema dada na kwa mo ogidie pa Saj Gold e ye dia 2022-2023 Bed Power Ghana Premier League no omo e be bobi.
Oh, your teams be all bit is Glass, Liberty, ne,
11 decimal.
11 decimal. I'll make me able play off about come on 20.
Etia no ye komo bo mo de etimi dia ni nyina mo na bo ama na ma da ye pa etimi ede e ma menko enkonko roma be yafo na trans na ye ni nkomo akra na MZ de bobo ba na no edem pa utiezem na no kan ozi nei BBC ya pe na obohu se akwa kofa we afa wafu no mo dey as good as some about betum na akata so and I know me my examples and I know dey akra Brazil ball Ghana free one and unim zen kofo be support mo no ma kofa as good as them dey aba betum akomia ze bibia hye ye de
nyame adom abudi
ese no ne se dey si bobo etimi ere ba na champion so age ze penalty no ya dia technique ye kire ma ne ye na ye suan so ehu bo pa na no krenso the woman who plays be more mono penalty ne ba beto no mo ko gina chiri egu se nye bibi na hwe kra na me zo mo de no ya na den so mbe se no and as good in sem na bobo de ba no nti minim be bia de be fa
de bia Ghana se yeko tournament eba na se abu penalty shootouts ana the results of ye fellow ase betimi dia koye ni ma ana akwakoye bibie ho ye ba ye se lack ye betina ye se lack we na amoni we say bibi tele ye chire asamojan e ko say 2010 penalty no me ko wi ase no na omo say anka asamojan hye yanka de besi okrum ase ne kenye all of these methods sound ni nyina na budia bi I think say it's very clear ohwe nkofuku omugina penalty achibo any day obi begina wano abato say na abu penalty ne bi wono ma scientific ye kirewo Liverpool kwakobo penalty shootout against Chelsea or Carling Cup EFL Cup about a season or two ago abu ye hu ye kwa mo fa so ko training grounds edisheshe omutie na na she Trentano de tika kraka ye the wires bi connect kwa fa so mbo ba bi a omo angle omo nhye all of these things you know abu dia bi scientific it helps you enye de bia na ye lack say na penalty ko gina ho e lack na we de no ko ka we na anye say na kasa na ya do so dodo I think say if you are looking at nipa na wo kan to de bia obi kan asem a hwensem mienu one the messenger number two the message is on point and number two the messenger is on point because obi a wa ye bia me ehunu o gina penalty shootout the tin o ka so ogbo a abo anya lack asem o kan say result so you pass the ball into the net anya lack asem ablo di gina penalty unim say you go say 90+7 ojina unim say you go because he knows he has practiced and unim dey also at that particular moment in terms of pressure down so I think say in a long run anka your players no mo tournament nanka sa nyoma we nyina ye chechro mo bo mo pe nyoma bi so e de be bo mo scientifically akebe bo e pa ma na no ye call afcon yi so hu de na gabala agu e water bottle no
yeah
hu de no ayagu ana hu how na some of the players ni bi susu gi information asa na wa penalty wo fa de fa ha bone ha na ho de wa ha e se nye lack biem se ma me fa me ho koda ha na me nda ha ma de nchi na me fa we impro me ho no it doesn't work Kotokone Kadiogo you saw how the goalkeeper was very confident
yeah
checking the movement maybe I know movie could be if you look at Kotoko na ankasa no there's nobody that will tell me said that particular penalty shooter at Kotoko loss no na lack enye lack asem. These players came ever ball penalty shambolic. Originally the only man say left and right. First one boy keeper ne ko asike. But baby a the ball to target pass or page ball ne dey to say no. Until baby you see Mubarak ball the penalty to it. The experienced players who knows how to play the penalty no. Mubarak be gina ho na baby the penalty to keep an enya even direction. But look at the rest of the players. Baby on boy bia the best shakra keep anya direction. The best shakra no keep anya direction. And I wahwe ye dey boy. Dey obey. No. Well, a lot of questions. If you want the angle, go for the angle. what's the area also normally penalty ni bi won ma e bo net ni mu say no angle no choose na bo net ni mu ni say
they no now keep on your direction crab
ya direction crab wuntimi nche
no
it will to net ni say
net ne so
or the rush through say amafo busa na de bia na Michel Balak ne Zinedine Zidane de so be say penalty
akoma penalty ya kire yesua so
yesua
ehu bo
pa Mario Balotelli bobe 10 years of ne career kra na me say fitin kura bremu bawo na me say penalty kura na de so be say bi ko gina won ni be o so de to it's high time Ghana ye nyai lack sem no ye nim say keepers ni be you good they learn they move in the right positions no mochi
and o kan semba ku bi am say no ya de enya pa o the Ghana from under 17 under 20 under 23 to the main team no even in mano ye come major tournament do penalties pe o tu aye de enya de
psychological e show trim into be gina onum kra na ba bia wo bo na direction e wo so de bo no to kra na yem shisho I think we should work on it more na yem practice a lot na yem pen yom be betimi and find the solution to some of these misses ayenya na em say de ko she lack bebrea and e hard abu quickly on Ashanti Goats issue adiwe e hard pa most of the clubs rely on gate proceeds no mo de atwa mu players sky month clubs ni bi ni sponsors who ye ba be kan mo ni sponsors na sem ni aka mo sponsors na sem omo ni sponsors no a gate proceeds ana budia bi o stadium a itie bi a wonya chance bi na kotoko ana has bi ba ho na oje 50 Ghana no nya scan bebre na e bia winning bonus is aka me 3 no no de akote na no hwan no some of them ni nyambo kotoko ne house o itie bia winning bonus ni bi kura kam ebi mu kura nyambo kotoko ne house pay kura nya dey emai because ye dan na in your Premier League ye boy the target is say only house ne kotoko bo a wo de ka bia wo akira betimi ni bi de atua even NSA kotoko bo Africa game against Kadiogo eboti a akazo folk we no omanya ska mo de kwotwa electricity bill na mo de ka even the NSA omanya ska ni bia electricity bill na da ho ne ka da ho no omo de bia kwakote now nipa ba ko ehye omo pass kotoko free mu Africa no was the NSA you ask yourself say why because mo jitum ye say kotoko bo Africa de bia stadium mo be dey ebe ma nipa dodo na be ba be dey eba be hwebi o me hwebi a ba bi o my project ni be breadu no scan bi bo mo di be dey ebe sorte and these are things are a harding and abu ye breaking league the mebu sam ho ne say how are players going to be paid when there is no football because ye hwe ni din a quarter sem enye se ya she date for October 14th ni sada na ye kodi asem na wie sada no eye hearing ye tie we part ni ye tie we part judge no kwa betima ka say baby a case na duru kwa ye san tumfa anya dai ehye it is a kwa kosisi ye bo World Cup area because was international break by November say there be a Black Stars no concentration na betima anya dai akọ World Cup no so ye kwa ye dai ye kwa bobi eduru sa time na between one how does teams no so between mu players ka say fa A say fa B tie no mbeye
awo me amatinti asema ba league na san yewe migi
abu
yako
my main started with ablode name sema odne ye cheye and o acheye ade pa and from the meme far from ablode ni delivery no nyoma brebi penalties no two parties na involved wo any goalkeeper no now a mental battle between one goalkeeper no the ablode kaya or the two jano or say before say obebo penalty no kra na say wunya found na nin carbon na penalty taking no start war so when nine yan ko ball no kra penalty taking the art of penalty taking no start war that is where the mind games come in. And from the viewpoint of the goalkeeper, me a goalkeeper na medal po anymore. You have a huge role to play if you want to save the penalty. The same way as the penalty taker, player no bebono. Also a huge role. Inti meme ba be she. Ana me ma won sheme. Inti to some extent, send your penalty say enka air for no. Abu menye so say it sa. Antisa na ye we are seeing age na stadium ho everything has come to a standstill. A game na wo born action when your chance also will go and you defend the be by way ba. But way no obia any show. Into one wo kwa body atu mana ukipa no so obia any air show. So obet me action but this is it. The skill and the balance of a year the oshe and the onshe no. I am age na the bonus more than the oche. The striker and they take off a penalty or no. Or a 60-65% chance so a penalty. Or compared to goalkeeper there, between 40 to 35 or 35 to 40. Now the goalkeeper has several roles to play, and this is how it is. Abu, you need to get into the mind of your opponent, and there are examples here cited. 1, 2005, Liverpool AC Milan. Jesse Dudek. He was constantly being irritational. Oma AC Milan players, no, or sure, most of that time, no, now Liverpool are being a mental advantage over a AC Milan because Milan for didn't cancel no mete. That's a Milan for no mabe mebu. And here penalty shootout, no, Liverpool no more confidence was raw, and he cashed in or profited from that. Ni na say obey yen antics be opposed ni mua. Aya na AC Milan for players na edi hu kakra eto omo so. Vanga 2014 World Cup no. Omo ba na edu penalties no the team crew laba. Player na obebo no. Hu team crew ni figure na keke kra no. Osowa enti ni figure na keke no edi hu edi torso and a tactic omo apply goalkeeper no so use bi ama Netherlands very successful from shootout that World Cup. 2012 Chelsea against Bayern Munich. And also Peter Cech. Every year Bayern Munich players, you know. Already, na penalty in case will game ni mo watch no. Obenya psychological edge over a year Bayern players. The next penalty shootout nearby, no. Then na at the trouble abre Bayern for no. So the goalkeeper, you need to get into the head of your opponent, you know. Reading no. Manenya uncomfortable, unsettled no. The moment obi unsettled, I said no who is no so on shade need no. The likelihood say obey a mistake and obey committee error no it was so. Into the psychological aspect of goalkeepers frustrating penalty takers are crucial. Oh yeah, no we are. Then you come to other aspect near physical training. Oh the obey. And to goalkeeper no. What you do is that checking your maybe about you'll be there kicks. Now the goalkeeper reflexes umuso and now umunso. Okoko ka form and now won't ka form. Afe utumi dive angles bang degrees bang. Your normal penalties are boss. So abu ya the 100 penalties betwa. Ebia the buffer right no ye benye mu be 55. The buffer left ebe 30. The buffer fin ebe 15 b. Into what check out say the probability say nipa no and a player never bought at the funny fano. It was so until you practice how you dive to the right most times just to make a save. Ni nano a idea you prepare for it. In this world, Abu. So what now don't say them film now we'll train some man a to a free throw. Emma. In every aspect of our life, it happens. Your biblical examples, your real life examples. Sunday, you are hosting a show. Anka wabwa ho amfa train opportunity akwanya na anka wotia anka sorry na debia o sorry no wada udidi no wada anka wotia. The same applies to penalties. You prepare. If you want to save it boabwa ho mo ahoboa no enso akwentu apese okọ and wunim say okọ match bo football competition na penalties wo ma you prepare for it the same as you will prepare for the 90 minutes. So it is not by chance, by preparation. You goalkeeper need anywhere abu. It comes to the striker. Medical catcher say or no a bigger advantage and now probability so better than goalkeeper so better no because on our control in the game of football the work control no and the war advantage. It is a striker no ball nikita na and no better. So the control is that you have a decision to make concerning baby a ball on the alpha and ni no a confidence. Ablo de kind. Confidence no and say nyagidie say ade a wasua wa prepare say wo kwa akoye no obetimi aye no aye ni
ye ehia pa
we esua ni na wo kwa akotron so hwe na wasua ade a che okowura e exam hall no ehu kawa de wasua no kra wo rate me fibi obi was me ko run attention fa me na the kra me ntimi ntro enya so onim the tro but ni refi pressure na ebeto on so ninti so wunya kukudro wunya sa confidence na the first step then you focus ablo de kind focus ne say me pese me ball na me ba be no me nice say na ball ekwa akoto ha ekwa akọ because una all directed the trajectory of the ball baby a ball ne fa na ewo na wo determine so all these things ye jitum say ye kire ye sua na ye perfectia then why are we always reversing roles and then analyzing identity penalties and final penalties say it is because we have failed to learn as a people. And any idea so let's take a cue from our bloody Diano. Nicolas Sebons it was enough illustration. Said the preparation of Kotoko and CP and NASA players nibi did not take it serious. Because now prepare. How serious you are, I will train you know, a boam out to me when ye. It is either the preparation of Kotoko no NCP and our players nibi I'm funny serious because no so omonya match nevi.
Yeah.
As go the son of a big blow to your football process. No, we were moving on from an era. We were restoring confidence, and then we were winning back corporate Ghana. But we know a paper baby papa be a cat administration. This injunction now, but now yeah, how to lay a paper baby papa be or my concerning the Ghana Premier League. Already there were concerns. And this will add or fuel those concerns more. But send them no pano. I am the administrators. Omo play omo politics. Omo hold the power. Omo person omo power. Omo yamin seeing footballers no. Because if footballers don't exist, Ketokraku does not exist. On yashi.
I no cray.
So players in Iwa, there is no Ketokraku. Yamfane fan yashi. So when it happens this way, I only dream players no one. Said they are putting their careers on hold. Sunday, yes, October 14. October 14, no. If any unforeseen circumstance and development be aba na negative wa, so baba league ne bono e dia ko echire. Player ne be den. E bia on no. Onye dwuma foforo bia e your ball na. All bono ogina ketua, ogina winning bonus. How does the average Ghana Premier League player cope in moments like this? PFA, you know, I'm sorry. They should play a role in this particular matter. A crucial the players in the welfare. Even their state of mind. A crucial PFAG and Fanny Hunjim, they should be interested in this case. No more share how they can make sure players don't suffer. And your player be fault. Player no about Brekum Chelsea, no. Player no way Diana. No, and you're on them forms wanting a league near more. It is perhaps somebody's negligence. Obi you may also ya 1 year. Obi instructions are also follow, and as a court process also this one when this so. And I'm a player and I end or didn't boot a good them one co training. So the PFAG should help the players find a way out of this situation.
Mate, Merasepa, Bamir on Facebook na menke kan kakra. Sana maba papsi issue no so na makwa apostle so Brezes Sun 2 p.m. Asante Mampo. I'm really enjoying the sports show from Mampo Nedase Rahim Rankin. Good evening, Diaby. Still the good work done with your sports pundit Edase Mayola. Edifiking tampon the Rama Felix upon that Hene Nana Kujo upon and Swedifi Bampanase watching live. Yedase. Very much so what happened? What happens when Ashanti Gold wins the case? And a question on the Odiaba Obisa Douglas Costa, I'll see DH League Jinyame Oibo Boatin from Yebi watching live. Fabulous the greatest and also you do also no Timi Eddie Erama Boamanema did the Yepa Timi Eraman 2 super Timi joining on Facebook Sompa 93.1 na Wabo Modena on sono wetimi joining and the Kosubiano Odo Eramna Boa Nanema did the Yepa Timi Eddie Amazans and Commodona and I di concerning and league na Eboa Manema Koyi kama so no Timi Eddie Emo BB Zanze BB do no denu mu aye dempa ma uze nei dodo na so na join o mo hwema nema koye pa na papse on the the Black Stars of Ghana abetu management committee members on bebribi pa na hon komo no oso no senka nema didam na akonya na ba enka se no be san hyehye no
Seriously, 3, nothing more than 3, and then they work in close liaison with the FA secretary. But the thing is that, football is football. There's a bit of politics in football. So sometimes space must be created for loyalists and supporters and things too. That's why it will be difficult to have a 3-member or 1-member management.
Eltiano ye koma wabo modiedi so ne de kabro so a miensa eni se kwedita abozo.
Well, Abu, chair chief we before I make Pap say we. This is a very dicey. Pap say as no kind of emodupa. Quick one. On penalty shootout 1. I won't be here say. You see, ball na ye nankasa ye pen phone be anti ball na see. And they be American who share the kind of people running your clubs as CEOs, as general managers, be FM. To 4 microphone mangas our fema adding, sir Obenya Niema the way I say fata. A lot of this is practice, even to develop a technique, a consistent practice over a long period of time. Your players no or compare your players not to yesterday play make after 3 decades, 4 decades, 3 aquadro. Baby are lazy. Baby are very lazy. Look, Coach Max couldn't do back and saying the second coming. Moro. Unim tawana Moro. Onze Oshe na Moro ko dran che na Oshe. Enya magic unim tama Moro ko training. 2. Tomorrow do training an hour before Kotoko's main training starts. A personal decision. No ashishet. No bo no effort. Don't take the same thing gapo. Personal decision. Say, me pese free kick no me humbo. Me pese me drench here. And so or ball on this side bear 15. A bit ball back. Sometimes you be an across the keeper ball pomo. Say be a keeper available fine. No asan kodado that side from the right side of it, left side of it. No ba more central no ball be fana. But your players a lot of them your percent are lazy. Actually, your ball 75 minutes because your players fitness level aquadro. Social media man most of your players in there. Aquadro. Personal training, no. Omo fa bibi and come and once a coach akoka so mobile time we coach trainer one kasa personally nothing. Most of them. Kakra mo so mo you know. And tomorrow job free they don't know that when it came to Kodo, one of the major things or decides about practicing every day. My situation or sha and your magic. And until say your players nankasa beti as say be omunye carpenters, omunye mason, omunye centrofo. Omo adwuma omo so be ye ball no so ye wo niema akade ka ho ama wo ye soronko. Onte no be ba no. Sa ho ha sa na beto so. Pap say I can some na in same way there me ho abon mu sa. Pap say the first chairman of the Blaster Management Committee and the Ura Kuzinyantechi. And I normally say Kuzananka Ura for Kuzinyantechi so a chairman, but I not decided so. Normally the president of the FA no so the chairman of the Blaster Management Committee by convention. And he or decided so no, no for so on my vice no. Now and yes straightforward and he knows it. Internal on Yanka and yes straightforward. A difficult decision. Now the difficult ni Sabiu, your national team no, are buying and sponsor the national team. FA no holding national team no more or less like in trust or a custodian. All or most, including the current Black Star Management Committee, are buying Nipa Ewo. Government be more a list of people who you must appoint to the Black Star Management Committee. Adding for every president, even the current one. Omo reconstitute current one. No.
Yeah, omo baby shim.
Omo government, you see government.
Buying.
Thank you. Alaji Grusa, yes, by buying even though it's in football. Share tourism authority. Mia madam for Ajiman.
Yeah,
I was Ajiman. A government. And it's difficult to say no because a buying so percent in crowdphobia for say. Sebi omo wo ho na omo hu niema ekọ so mbetimi a report ya ma aban no omo ande omo ni ko hu ne ekọ se na be ya ba se aban etake decision be fa national tisika ye niema bia omo no omu nkrofo no dey chain the federation. Enti ebe din so benye 3-member committee. Na ade ba ku so e wo mu no say yenya kanka na pap say kan no. Anka but ebe difficult. Yeah, part of the world. Abroche be dwuma ya ebe din. Ade ba ku so say aban sekaye eba national team no anything. Look, there have been times a national team took one. You hear $100,000. You hear $150,000. You hear $200,000. Yeah, baby, no. Some men afe na cut through the normal controller process, Minister of Finance. Afe na sa process that take place. Football so there, and yes, a long process. You hear si Canada ya this year. Enti ora go jan techi breast of fadwin say. Obema oti say ora kwabna banfo seconds ewo a friend say Black Standard Committee so na is the reason why.
Oh, okay.
Abra senebe asikafo na bakumi no mo so no ora Moses Pakamo. The essence of that is say sebasa ye do baby na ye yi sika $50,000 a some penny for no betimi ayi sika pre-financing. And the time I buy sika no be bano ye ntwen say aban sika mba ansana nema jiegu. And in practice a difficult to have a 3-member management committee. Difficult. And finally, Ono has been the chairman of the management committee for years. And then also Onyayanka. But Ono him say ye didn't no crime practice near my church thing. Aside that, in every political campaign, be football politics, you want crophobia. Because about ton cause only momo constituent no ma dinti. Omono before ono be kan ho agya tum say microphone ni mic microphone ni akomia minipa ni abu minipa ni virus no eye say o ma menti ase say memma microphone ato abama ono me per management committee of Black Stars and ye gitum ansa na no moto no kraba
about to neighbor we na wafa I was say abona o share no diso.
They're very important because about to say first time second time.
Yeah.
So another time.
Yeah.
And so the real situation about Black Management Committee say a constitute a very difficult and yes straightforward. And tini pattern in your bed thing. But me and Niame can say I be here say in Crawford call crap wa omunye competent. Omo munim di etie jumana si enim ne somo ye eni omo so a eba se asemba na ebia national team here sika ombe team di omosa ashom botom no mo 100,000 200 men fan Crawford ko management committee so asebo bia e was so bia ni kapre wrong e be do baby we have difficult sometimes hotels can I go 2014 World Cup in Netherlands look sometimes hotel sika because of process and how I carry sika be brain free Ghana so process but some Crawford no will be your credit card and you run edem what do you say yes so yenyanka three no but nema ma church mo about thing the political interest from the ruling government every president nankasa non Crawford the baso even sometimes bo nipa no dey but sometimes we sponsors there's a financial sponsors our interest as to omo akra to make us omo nipa nkoso and because sponsorship money drew you want to satisfy the sponsor yes we're going to make try ticket mass sponsors part of the Black Star management a friend said Black Stars team they call share Black Star training call World Cup paid for by the federation because no never a sponsor buy or some renew you another 3 years some of mano part of it and to no maybe a Black Star management committee meeting they also want to be there it'll be a doctor of way yes or be around what is the time when GMP sponsor Black Star no
yeah
what is the baby a kwekura kujantia na mpenyi for no be omo
obi
okay because omo yi nipa ba kwa ono work committee so all these factors are very key and you can't do away with that
timi ansane de nyejuma Mati Apostle
Alaj very difficult
Mati Alaj ebo me asin komo kakre
yo me da say papa the free house afse ba prempren say the kapenu be kano has management no boy place no wo mo boot no mo canvas no mo peti yin bibia no aba bedura ya chama boy sini nyina so bia nye to bia sa kan de ɛnɛ so broni no ɔsɛ awia no nti no wɔde training naba no pa nti ne sɛ wɔn hyɛ training ase 10 to 12 na mo pɔn yɛ nyambɔ kyerɛ no pa 8 ɛna training no ɛbɛba so
ɛde broni na yi aba no pa
awo yi aba no
ala yɛ adwuma no broni na ɛbɛyɛ ɔn
o broni deɛ wɔyɛ Pobima Academy no project no wɔyɛ director
okay
adwuma ɛde no baayɛ na meka kyerɛ wɔn
Alaj.
Oh yes, adwuma pɛ ɛde no baayɛ no
there's a coach for bɛba
so nti wei na akɔ sɛ coach bodu firi hɔ no ɛna mpanimfoɔ ayɛ ne sɛ ɔmmra no wɔmmɛboa
okay nti wɔbɛboa
nti nyɛ ɔna bɛfa tim no mpanimfoɔ no ɛtoto ɔmo sɛ so mbɛnya substantive coach ama naba nokure wɔ mu na meka kyerɛ wo no la wale mama ne so Dr. Man green light no nyame adom nɛ was start full scale training nada ɛna ninoi coach ninoi wɔn so mpanimfoɔ abɔ na ho ba sɛ ɔmo bɛma na fɛda the coaching course so ne kuta rora se no na bridge boy ye na mpanimfoɔ so nkɔmɛ so sinanim na hwɛ ne krata asɛm no nkɔn kan san mpanimfoɔ so bɛbɔ na ma na fɛda the training ɛna ɛnam bridge a bɛbɔ ayi for asgod dia bɛbɔ mu ayɛ akonya sɛ yɛma this ne nyɛ kwa has a prepare for 2 friendly matches a date to be announced later.
A date to be announced
later.
Alaj be kumi ofia o.
Say me didn't tune chair na me call people say so a say the French for the kasa for ni la proca ne dikan as usual. Was a club in Soitre Pomposoa Mutile Université Militaire la Moa Super la paix contre la paix Obridier. Osi Suatrema FC. Uso mane ko to ba bono kasa pi.
Ya no mo kasa.
O mo piaro ni kasa, o mo management member ba ko kasa be fa 3 points. Se si jetaru mi de be fa 3 points dia minim. En na French for kaka se Suatrema FC kikiri nyina chi no. De mutimi ye ya ni. Kasa be bribe nyina chi no. De utimi ya ne se ya se otuwan. Sana people no person kire. Salajila ma asamanfu. We Bontuko Express. As usual, Bontuko Express was say Oboasi de la Gold, la Injonction de la Sport du Ghana. Tendalama, Ojirekama, Unkuye, Dimaje, Soa Laba. Was say Ashanti Gold. Pese Obeko second division akwa now kakwa sese umu so mu din kugorom ko second division team so be share mo ase honi Abizi Bay FC Kropa FC Nikanika FC Motokrodia United and a few Kutu United
that teams we omo
nyina wo
second division
me na ka kire Kropa FC no mo boase Abisi Bay, Omo Boise, Nikanika FC, Omo Boise.
A lot.
Second division.
Nikanika FC.
Minam Kachero.
Yo, mate.
Sad teams you in I going I shan't go in person be share mo. Till mo date a yinababe boom. What I say.
Mate, I see.
People with him on Bontuko Express. We grown a Chrome Chronicle. Injonction Letois, certification Pouye. Croquois, Mouviela. Tulation, appelez-vous, voulation ou Jabba. Wasi team kesebu Ghana ha eni Kumasi Ashanti region haba bi team kese pa akona ase asore ne
team kesebu Ghana akona ase asore ne alala yide na asi omo kona ase asore
na ase asore ye injection na de beto so no aboa no pa
ala yi team no
omo team no so din
aize na we dey house for
omo house dey wa
house ye ba bi amuda ize mo amona mo ye kese ambe kona ase asore ala yi na house for
onya house we nya house for awo
ala yi na team kese be
ana so Olympics ye kese
Olympics ne mo na wo mani
wo say
Olympics ne mo fa for na wani
me point you know say league table bi na manim ha
alaj me mo ma wana
awo opa abobo ma me
mo ma Mambo kana Premier League table na ma.
Oh, another misura na.
Because team kese na o kana dia.
Wa kona se asora no pay say injection e bebo mu no e de ne panam binya kwanya toto niema. Sada people na kasala gila ma asamanfu
Ala table no say na ti o.
Matwam.
Ala you tie. House to so do 9.
O say
Moto so do 9.
ha de onchire house di wa.
Ena ba bi Olympics da no. Olympics dey kra wona nim chemu bebre wo. Olympics to so miensa ho.
Me say
Adi ala ya me say house of folk na ko na aso. Sa.
people de wo house.
You Matilda ento aso.
Ouais, tell moi pâté. La Goncité, la Cochi, la Cochisoa. La métier de Brokumchesi de la Alwak nomination au tout le monde obligatoire. Voici Team B est from Legon City. So mubo Alwak Sports Stadium. And on see somebody kakakao stadium nano. And na on map shire go say osokura wusa. Na nipa na nsasha say draw. Sano machore go draw.
Eh ala.
Wasi obi obeba bia osokura wusa. Legon ho no de ebeben sen.
E wako no.
Obi amfo 1 point ho. Na nipa na nsasha say draw. Minni nipa kro.
Yo.
Salajela ma samanfu. Dem di twato Liberación. We in China said the paper no. Silver Farmer FC. Or Silver Farmer. And Akena Farmer. Draw no. Was it as good or was it la player de la Johnson Lama Jankoule Kwabena Yeboa de la FC Mouvoir la cour. Was it? Or was it Kwabena Yeboa and Papa de Injunction at Ghana Premier League no so.
Why don't was Kwabena?
Yeah, Emmanuel from Bon.
La feel was Kwabena.
Now when you're from one worker.
Alaj.
We an interview Cambrofo. I good we know Cambrofo. The people French for India say Obasa Kwabena and one and Papa de Injunction to Ghana Premier League. So they chat to abrier as usual. Club du Ghana, la supporter comptoir. Que la Palamon, la pénalité, la prison, photo là-bas, Moutoulet, Boué, Moussier. Wasi timbi wa Ghana ha. Ya yine firmu na nsia.
Ya yine fide mu alaj.
Sa wasi ya yine firmu wa mfa bibi anka ho.
Ya yine fide mu alaj. Ya yine firmu.
Wasi ya yine firmu.
Ala to aso.
Na o ka kwa ase ho a. Wasi nya beto bati. Penalty. Sana bi penalty aba. Abriye.
Alaj na kotokofo na ade omo.
Ada bi wo mo kotokodi wa me pa chawo.
Na so mo ana na no ade yi omo fi competition mu.
Wasi ye yina firimu se Africa o se Confederation o se Ghana
and as a born here there
enya to beti penalty
ala you dey kotoko na ade omo
ada na misuro se mebo kotoko di ada
kotoko na ade omo
ala
die
people na atwera ba no na me kan die abijanfo na di aba no masa entutu na mproye hyama no me pa chawo wasi di omunuma ne penalty eyi o mafirimu sana people na sala jela ma asamanfu papa mawie
Mabemfa callers kakra 0551931931 0549310548931931 Mire na me fo bi e wa anom na yeto aso. Me pa cho dia ne baby a kazafi.
Yes sir.
Yes sir. Robert.
Yes sir, bakwade.
Enwo ye pa ye ko.
Ne ko po ase. Na me jai buta ti oni je so bia me na. Aseme me bra me papa kai. Aya ya ne mo ko odo ko so ya na odo ko ya ne mo abeti so ko ade se. Jabu ani o ko me kire de ne mo de papa. Na enga brother ka so foka. If ya go to me to tie because the question you need to know you need be asking ya me do mama. O ma pa mo no. Eti to ba pe de egusu a ye bo coach. Eti ha to go play for na. O mo di ha se ne ya tra mo. Obi baby a ni me bo a ayo mo titi ni because what people coach do ni coach.
Bate, merci pas Robert, me pa cho tiene baby au kasefi. Hello.
Abu.
Yaza.
Na ti say.
Me wa den na zo.
We onya kito ibo na shileni.
Oyibo yanko.
Ma mi mo ma baso. Na na Robert kan. Ni de somewhere coach Bodu aya pam no me ka se me ni gia na me boa. Coach no Sunday ni na mi wo se coach you bi ohun akwala obe ni nasi. Mi Sunday se mi chia coach sem. Na mi si eti mi oyibo na na so na ka coach Bodu ate na matimi achia ni sem no. Eti mi bi fa ye say you for say. No prom coach Bodu no. Se say ko Africa.
Results ni ba na saa na ebe na results na ma na saa na ebe dia. Yesu ye be kika bia kiro mu papa. Na
Mate oyibo meda se me pacho diani baby akasa fi. Hello.
Champion Abu Dhabi.
Yes sir.
We wa this year this boku PhD econoscopy kata dila otabu kapse na kumasi. Dr. Musu Janshi na so happy. Obe kapse center senior man gatuso kompere mangara kwa me win mo. Omu nyina biem ku ha omu che some passports. Omu so mu cha na wie. Abu ko samu bodu na ya fa no. Me de so bodi nyina babo otuado. Samsa de.
Otuado ayede.
Dabi Abu akọtam afie ban ye tell the neko bob start match o ya. Abu head nu gwa asem. 35 seconds o ma local player ne to mebo. Abu ya papa. Senka free ban ye wo Ghana hanu ma ha se ne kotoko no. Akam gidi ese ko free ban ye betu abo no modern. Ashe kotoko ama atebu ko tam Abu Abi.
Ati onasco me pacho diani baby akasa fi.
Fantastic Diaby. Mayola ni Ntampo.
Mayola na boko de.
Abu Dhabi ya boko na Nigeria musumu we.
So ya wo ya mitio.
Abu Dhabi. As good for na ebebe ya kelita. E pacho ligi no ya bo ya go le ba bi